What's up, guys? Today I thought I'd do a pretty cool little video because today is my brother's birthday. He is the big 50, and I've actually had a video. It's been on here about 2 years, and I thought I would share it because I've got a lot of new subscribers since that point, and it was kind of a fun video. It's definitely nothing serious, so if you guys are here for a serious tool-related video or truck-related video or how-to video, this ain't for you. But it is a little fun, kind of a vlog style video that I did. Like I say, it was 2 years ago. For those of y'all that don't know me, when my brother was 8-year-old, he got the coolest birthday present ever, and that was me. So you guys check this out because it was a lot of fun to make, and it's kind of cool to go back and, you know, kind of relive those moments or whatever. And that's one of the cool things about video. So you guys enjoy this one. All right, guys, today we're gonna do something just a little different. It's my birthday weekend, so it's my birthday weekend. So we're gonna do something fun, and we're going on a little road trip. We're gonna meet some friends. We're gonna have some fun today, and we're gonna eat good. So I'm gonna bring you guys with us and kind of make this sort of like a little vlog, and that way you guys can come enjoy some fun with us. So let's go do this. All right, so our first stop is in Tupelo at Academy. I got to get my brother a birthday present because today, me and my brother have the same birthday. We're born 8 years apart, same day. He always says I was the worst birthday present he ever got. But anyway, my brother is a big hunter and fisherman. He goes everywhere hunting and fishing and just outdoors guy. So this is the place to go. So let's go get him a present. Alright, so my brother, he goes to Colorado and Wyoming and all those places hunting, and he likes these freeze-dried meals, and because a lot of times they go in on horseback and hike in, and they're a long way away from anywhere to get food, so he likes to take these because they're lightweight, and he says they taste good. I don't really know what flavor he likes, so we may have to do a gift card because I don't want to get him something he don't like. But this is definitely his kind of, he likes this kind of stuff. So, gift cards. Deep wraps. Combat stink. gift card. Stop one complete. So let's go do something fun now. I'm feeling a donut today. What about you, Shy? Donut day? I'm gonna do a donut today. It's gonna be a good day. A really good day. Okay, so we got an unexpected stop number 2, Best Buy. I love Best Buy. So we're going in here and I'm gonna look for a mount for my camera. So we'll take you guys with us. Love Best Buy. So we got some cool stuff in Best Buy. We got the Joby Gorilla Pod, the one that holds like 6 pounds or whatever. So it's gonna work great on my Canon. And got another lens cap because I lost the lens cap on my 50mm. So we did good. Stop number 2 is done. So now it's donut time. I know I said that a while ago, but seriously, now it is most definitely, without a doubt, donut time. Okay, so we made it to the donut shop. So this is a good treat. Love some donuts. They even have Delta made tamales.
Is that like a vlog?
Lots of sugar. Shasha's wrong. She's got my chocolate cake. She's gonna swallow. That was your wine.
Yep.
That was my favorite. That one's really good. Wow. Then with the background. Good job. Okay, so Scarlett's Donuts. Awesome. Very good. If you guys are ever in Tupelo, check it out. It's awesome. Now, time to go have some fun. Okay, here's something cool to talk about in the vlog. Technology is a great thing, and it's pretty cool, right? But anyway, you can't always rely on technology. Shasha has made us a reservation like 4 days ago on opentable.com for Texas de Brazil. So she originally made it for more people than we needed because we had some other friends that was going to come, and they ended up canceling last minute. Anyway, long story short, she called on the way here just a few minutes ago, 30 minutes before a reservation, when we got the news that the other people wasn't coming, to let them know we didn't need it for as many people. And they don't have a reservation. So now we're gonna have to roll the dice and wait in line on a reservation. She's freaking out about it. I told her no big deal, no sweat, ain't worth it. So anyway, we're gonna wait in line. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be a great day.
Eventually.
Just put that on your dash for me, sir.
Thank you. Wow. That was a time-consuming thing there. Y'all were wondering, yes, I changed clothes. I had to put on a shirt because the restaurant dress code is smart casual. So now I look casual and smart because I changed shirts. So I gotta put this on the dash and go get in line. So let's do it. All of these people are probably going to the exact same place we are, so it may be a while. Wow, this was amazing. We walked in, told the lady at the front desk the deal, and they seated us. So our friends will be here just in 5 minutes tops, so we're already in. Actually, ahead of time than what our reservations would have been, so that's great. Told you it's gonna be a good day. Alright, so Matthew and Ashley just got here, and them and Shasha went to the salad bar. I don't do salad, so I'm waiting on my meat. But anyway, we got a video camera sitting right there, and we are gonna do a little speed up of our eating. Let you guys join us.
So they don't have draft, but
That is Matthew. You'll notice he's got a also a hat on. And Ashley. And Shasha.
That's his smart casual hat.
super soft, rice and bananas, and garlic mash.
Garlic challenge. So here you leave the card on green, and they just keep bringing you meat. Turn on red when you're full. So this is the first meat. Bacon ready dessert, medium rare sirloin.
Stripes, and also for a wonderful cordial for you all to enjoy. Amarula from South Africa. It's one of my favorite options to enjoy. It's like a chocolate yoo-hoo with alcohol inside of it. It's wonderful over ice. It's a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful after dinner cocktail if you want to substitute this for an extra dessert.
Alright guys, we just finished eating and it was good, and I put on my regular shirt again.
Now we gotta walk supper off.
Now we gotta walk supper off. So we're gonna walk down Bill Street and walk some supper off, and then we're gonna find some ice cream, because ice cream is good. they're doing. Our guy got a head start. You guys beat this man to you. Good. Alright guys, as y'all seen, it's dark outside, so we put in a full day, all day long. Had a super good birthday weekend. We got to hang out with Matthew and Ashley, which was awesome. We got to eat some really good food, and we had some really good ice cream. We did a lot of fun stuff, just goofed off and hung out all day, so couldn't ask for a better weekend. As you know, this is my first shot at like a vlog style video, so let me know what you think about it down below. If you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know. But anyway, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, turn the bell notification on. Remember, it don't cost you a dime to subscribe, so it's free. Can't get better than free. Anyway guys, that's what I got. Hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a great one, and we'll catch you next time.